Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Let's wait for a minute. Let Yashas to join.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so last time we talked about the various chess tournament rules, right? And also before that we understood how to write the chess game, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so any questions related to this chess competition rules or chess writing?
No, sir.
Okay, how do you write castling, short castling? If it is short castling, how do you write it? Who
Sir,
will
you
tell?
put 2 0 0 0.
0 dash 0. Okay, we call it as 0 dash 0. Yes, Nivan?
What do you fight so important?
If you are doing castling, okay, so you are using 0 dash 0. Okay, and now Nivan has asked for n%. Who will answer? How do we write n%? Okay, Yashas, can you?
Sir, I don't remember.
Okay, no problem. Let
So
me.
I need to go to washroom.
Yeah, you can go, Nivan. Go and come properly. No hurry. Okay, by that time, let me share my screen, kids, so that
Sir, what is today's topic?
today I wanted to take some practice of yours actually. We will play a game. Okay, you can play from one side, I'll play from another side. And I want you kids to write the game. Okay, I just want to
Sir,
check
do we
what.
need a notebook and pencil?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I'll go get it.
Yes, please. No issues.
Sir, I got it.
Sir, I got it.
Okay. Let's wait for Nivan. Okay. So Nivan, you are back.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So Nivan asked a question for n%. Okay. I just want to show that. Look at the screen. Can everybody see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in this case, we are just considering that white played this pawn followed by bishop and black played this pawn followed by the same pawn move. Okay. So both the players played two moves. Now it is white to play. Okay. And white played f4. Okay. White played f4. Okay. Now how the n% move will be written? What will happen? the E pawn captures F3, right? So what we will write, E cross means X, F3, and you will write E dot P dot. Okay, so this is how it is written, kids. Can you see? E captures means cross F3. Okay, so the square on which the pawn comes after the n%. Okay, in this case it comes to F3. Capturing the pawn, it comes to F3.
I did not understand till now what is the n%. If the pawn is beside it, then how can it capture? There is nothing in the diagonal move, right? There is no piece. Then what can it capture?
Were you not at the when the session of n% happened? Yes,
Sir, I was there, but I didn't understand.
Okay, no issues. I'll explain again. Yeah. Okay. So for now, is it clear how to write n% move?
Yes, sir.
Nivan, does that answer your question?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now I'll ask the same question again. Okay. You have to answer now. Okay. What if he plays this? What will you do and how will you write?
Sir, you will write E4 X D E4 X D4 and then E dot P dot.
E cross D3, not D4. Okay. It comes to D3. Okay. It captures the pawn and comes to D3. Okay. So what we write? E captures D3 E dot P dot. E dot P dot is for n%. Okay. E for n, P for percent. Okay. Now I'll come to the Yashas's question. Okay. How exactly this happens? Okay. Why it comes to D3? Now Yashas, pay attention. Okay. What happens actually? These pawns are nothing but the soldiers, right? Okay. So if you consider this as the real war, okay, they are soldiers. So assume that this soldier is coming from here to here. Now how it comes? Even if it jumps, okay, even if it jumps, okay, the soldier who is standing here takes his sword, okay, and when he is jumping or when he is walking, when he is coming to F4, how he is coming? He is coming from this way, right? Obviously, he will not come like this, right? So when he is coming from this place, he makes the attack on him and make him dead here only. Okay, that is the reason. Now this is just I am telling you the scenario how it happens, but as per chess rules, then it is considered that when he was passing through this road, okay, that time only it captures. Okay, but in actual chess, what happens? The move completed by one player and then another player plays. Okay, so for you, what is important to remember? When the pawn comes two squares, okay, the black pawn has right to capture. Okay, and always remember this happens only in the fifth rank. Okay, now this is fifth rank for black, right? This is second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay, if the black pawn is in the fifth rank and white plays to the fourth rank from white side, then it can capture and come to the F3. Okay, so is the case with?
Sir, why if it is the black pawn, why can't the white capture and go ahead?
How can white capture? White always it can capture only in the diagonal, right?
No, but when it is going front, this comes, so it can capture in diagonal, right? This pawn comes, it goes front, it can capture. Why only black can capture? Why not white?
White can also capture if it is white is in fifth rank. Okay, white is in fifth rank, and if black tries to come, then white can capture and come to this place. Is it clear?
Okay, sir. So whenever this, whenever n% happens, we can move. we can move ahead. It's not that the pawn will remain stuck over there only.
Right. Only because, see, for example, if you play this, will not black capture you?
It will.
It can, right? So we are assuming that when you are coming to this way, okay, you can consider like this pawn coming here first and then coming here, right? When you are playing two squares, that means it is coming from these steps only, right? Okay, so that time it can capture this, right? This is how it happens. Okay, this is called as n%.
Okay, sir.
Any question? Any other question?
No, sir.
Okay, and how?
No, sir.
Right. Now let us take another example from white side. Suppose this is the case. Okay, the pawn is here. Black pawn plays this. Now what will you play and how will you write?
Sir, you will write Gx h6 E dot P dot.
Very good.
E dot P dot.
Right. You will write G cross. Call it as cross, kids. Okay. It's not X actually. G cross. Okay. Cross is multiplication. G cross H6. Okay. We are capturing the pawn from H5, but because we are going to H6 after capturing, we write G cross H6. Okay. And because it is n%, we will write E dot P dot. Okay. Any other question related to the game writing or chess competition rules?
Sir, I forget to the front promotion.
Aryan, what did you say?
Pawn promotion.
Pawn promotion. Okay, okay. No issues. It's okay, actually. I'll explain pawn promotion as well. Okay. From the second rank, okay, I'll take couple of pawns actually, and I'll take something like this. Sorry. Now see, this pawn coming from the H7, it reached, okay, till H2. Okay, now this is the 7th rank for black. Okay, or if it is white, this is the 7th rank for white. Okay, so whenever any pawn reaches to the last rank, okay, now black, in case of black, it will come to H1. In case of white, it will come to A8. Okay, so whenever it goes, you have opportunity or you have option to promote it to either the queen. Okay, I'll show you here. Either you can place queen, or you can place rook, or you can place bishop or knight. Any of these 4 pieces you can.
Sir, over here you would mostly put the rook or queen because you can give check.
Right. So you have choice. Okay, in this case you have choice. Aryan got disconnected actually. He asked the question for pawn promotion. So anyways, Nivan and Yashas, is it clear to you how the pawn promotion happens?
Sir.
Okay, and how to write pawn promotion? Who will answer?
Sir.
Yes, Nivan.
For the black H1 equal Q.
Very good. Very good, Nivan. I appreciate it.
And
plus is for check. Very nice. Very nice. And what will you write if I promote it to, suppose, rook?
Sir, you will write equals to R.
Okay, I promoted A7 pawn to A8 with rook. Okay, how will you write it? Tell me.
Sir, you will write A7 equals to,
Not A7, Yashas. It is going to A8, right?
yes sir,
So you will write A8 is equal to
A8 equals to sign and then R, and then you will write plus sign
A8 is equals to R
and then plus sign.
plus. Okay. This is how you will write. If we are
You make it a nice. Then eight
is equals to
Eight.
night.
and
Okay.
and
Will the plus sign happen here now?
no, the night
Plus.
cannot go sleep in line.
Right.
The night can
Night,
only go
night cannot give
two
check.
ways.
Okay.
Knight cannot go in this way.
Right. Knight cannot give directly check. Right. For giving check, it will have to play one more move. Okay. Anyways, it seems Aryan got disconnected. Actually, we will continue, kids. Okay. So, any other questions? Nivan or Yashas?
Sir,
Okay.
even the small kids are supposed to write?
Yes, if they can.
Okay.
Okay.
Because this is practice. Okay. So otherwise there is no reason for me to have this session, because in last 3-4 sessions we took this chess competition rules as well as the game writing. So as an exercise, I wanted to play one game, sample game with them. Okay. And make them write.
Sir, when will we start playing the chess game?
We are doing
The
it
queen
now.
is too big.
Yes.
Now
Is
it.
Yes. Is it okay now? Okay, so I will play from black side or white side. What do you want to take, kids?
Sir, black. Sir,
Take
black.
white.
Okay.
Sir,
Take white.
Okay, let
okay,
Nivan
play white.
let
Play white.
okay. So Nivan and Yashas, you play from white side. Okay. And you can tell me the moves, by the way. Okay. And parallelly, what I'll do, I will write, okay, which you will not be visible to you. Okay. Because I also want you guys to write it. Okay. And then I will cross check whether you have written correctly or not. Okay.
Okay, sir. I'll just take out one page.
Yes.
In my
And
book.
yes. And on that page, what you have to do, let me share it actually. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll just writing.
Okay. And in that page, what you have to do, kids? Just give me a second. Okay. Is it visible?
We need to write this.
Yes.
The page.
Yes. What you can do, you can forget this part actually. Forget this part. You can write this one. Just give me a second. Yeah. Where is the pencil?
White, black.
Sure.
Okay.
Sir,
Consider this part.
write the table.
Yes, you create the table like this, kids. Okay. Like this one. There is serial number, white and black.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir, I'll just sharpen my pencil and bring my scale.
Yes, yes, please. No issues.
Yes,
You can note down the serial number up to 10. Okay.
Till the up to 10 or till how much you have?
I have up to 40 actually.
Oh. Okay.
I will share this score sheet on your, yeah, I will share this score sheet on your WhatsApp number, okay? So you can look at it later as well.
Okay, sir. I'll draw the table.
I'm done.
Okay, can you show Nivan?
Sir, I'm drawing the table.
Okay, very good. Okay, Nivan.
Black, white.
Yes.
It is in like the full palette. That's why
Mhm.
I cannot find.
Okay.
I only leave W and B. White, black.
Okay, very good. Smart. Smart kid you are. Okay, here Aryan comes actually. Aryan is joining.
Sir, Aryan got disconnected.
Yes, he is traveling it seems actually.
Oh.
रोड सोडायचा नाही हळवे ब्रेक कोकण रेल
I'll write it. Sir, what is the meaning of NR?
Huh.
NR. Numbers.
Yes, number. Serial number it is actually.
Okay, sir.
Okay, done?
Sir, no, sir. I need to draw. Once I'm done, I'll tell you.
Okay.
Ready with my pencil.
Aryan, if you can see it, you have to draw this on piece of paper if you have. Okay, if you are not carrying, that's fine.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I'm almost about to finish it. 1 minute.
Okay, yes, yes.
इधर कोणतं तर तो पेन देत रखो ते वाचते म्हणून जाऊ
6th one.
हां चल बोला ना सीधा रोड
Aryan, you can mute yourself.
9th one. 10th one. Sir, when I was drawing the box set, I had got extra space till 12, so I wrote it till 12.
That's fine. Yeah.
White, and here white, and here black. Sir, finished drawing it.
Okay, very good. So you are
Can I show
now. Yes, please. Can you show? Very nice. Very nice. Okay, let us start now. So you guys are white. Okay, you can tell me what do you want to play?
Sir, from black.
From white. White plays first, right?
Oh yeah, white plays first. Sir, you move E2 pawn to E2 pawn till E4.
Okay.
Sir, I'll write it.
I am playing white. So I am playing white.
Yes.
E4.
Yes, Nivan. You and yes.
E4, right?
Okay. Nivan, he is saying to play E4. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
So write down in the white side. Okay. On the white side, you will write.
E4. Correct, right? I wrote E4.
Right.
Yes, sir. Sir, from black. Now from black, you play this one. You play this F7 pawn to F5.
Hold on. Don't tell. Okay. Black I will play.
Oh, black one will play.
Okay. I played knight to.
So do I need to write your game also or no?
Yes.
Your
Yes. On black side, you will write my moves. Okay.
Okay, sir. 1 minute. N.
Sir, now
My move will be the B1 knight to C3.
Okay, he want to play knight to c3 kids from white side. Okay.
N3. Sir, 1 minute. NC3.
Ah,
Yes,
I
sir.
want to not play that. I want to bring my bishop to give the fourth to my pawn.
He is also supporting Nivan. Knight is also supporting, right? So are you okay with that, Nivan?
Okay.
Yeah. You can see, right? It's a good move, Aryan. Okay, you are supporting your pawn here. Okay. So you will write knight to c3. How will you
Sir,
write?
I already wrote it.
Yes. How will you write knight to c3? Capital N,
NC3.
capital N, small c. Okay.
NC3.
Yes. Understand this difference, kids. Okay. Capital N, small c. Okay. C is in small letters. And 3 is normal. Your 3 is number. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I played knight to f6.
Sir,
Knight to
one
c6. Sorry, knight to c6.
NC6.
Right.
NC6. Sir, why did you play that? Oh, no.
Because I did not wanted your pawn to come here and give threat to my king. If it comes, I can capture it.
Give threat to your knight or your king?
To knight, obviously. Can the pawn give threat to my king from here?
You just now told I don't want my pawn. I don't want your pawn to come and give threat to my king. You
To
told
my
just
knight. Knight
Okay,
is
sir.
here, right?
Sir, from white you play K. No, Q D. You play queen to. So 1 minute.
You can discuss with Aryan and Nivan. Yes, okay.
Sir, move it to F3.
Knight
Nivan,
queen
you
to
also
f3.
wanted to move to F3, right? So that it can capture the black knight on F6.
Okay. Okay, kids. Yashas is suggesting queen to f3. Are you okay?
No, sir, no. Otherwise, the pawn will capture our queen. Those pawns are
Which
there,
pawn?
they'll capture.
It is your pawn, Yashas. What are you
No,
saying?
sir. When I capture your black knight on F6, there are 2 pawns, right, which will capture my queen.
I don't
That I
understand
was
what are you saying.
So I don't want to
Okay.
make that move.
Okay, no issues. Think and tell. Yes, Nivan, what will you suggest? What do you want to play from white?
Sir, I want to put my bishop on B5.
Okay.
Sir,
Bishop
again,
to
Aryan
b5.
got disconnected.
Yes. Yes, Nivan is suggesting bishop to b5. Are you okay?
Bishop to B5.
And want to give threat to this.
Nivan, if you give threat after you capture, they'll capture the bishop, right? The pawns which are supporting the knight. Won't they capture the knight?
It is up to you if you want to capture or not. At least you can give threat, right?
Okay. Yes, sir, it's fine. B3. It's fine to B5.
Okay, bishop to b5. Okay, kids, write the move now. Bishop to b5.
Sir, this is BB5. BB5.
This is capital B, small b, 5. Okay.
Sir, this is the third move, right?
Yes.
Third move of white.
Right. If you want, you can compare it. See, I am writing here, kids. Okay.
Oh. Yeah. Papa. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Now, what I played knight to d4.
Sir,
Sir,
D4.
sir, I want to open my pawn on E5 to give threat to your knight.
Nivan, Nivan, you will. No, sir, don't. Nivan, don't do that move. Others they capture. Others, sir will capture our bishop. The bishop on b5.
No, but you have
He will
support,
capture
yes, sir.
his bishop.
Oh yeah, support you
You
have,
have
right?
support.
He will capture my. He,
E5, d5, pawn to e5.
Okay.
Okay, now sir will play.
Fourth move you played E5. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Will you write E5? Only E5. Okay. You don't have to write P. Okay. P for pawn. You don't have to write. Okay. Only E5. Okay.
Okay, sir. I wrote it.
Okay. Now what I do? I go back.
Okay.
Okay. I want to save. Okay.
G8. Sir, you done? No. N-G8, right?
Yes. Knight G8.
N-G8. N-G8. Okay. So now, what will we play? Sir. Sir, you bring the queen out to. You bring the queen out to. Wait. Sir, to h5. Bring the queen to h5.
Bring
Nivan,
the
are you
queen.
okay? KH5. For queen to h5. Queen to h5.
no,
No.
we cannot. We can put the queen
Then,
on G4. Oh,
sir, you can, sir. On g4.
Okay.
On
to give threat to his knight.
to give check.
It's
can't
not.
give check
It
to the
is
knight.
not called a check, Nivan. Okay. You can say give threat. Okay. Threat to knight.
No, this is not fine. He will capture a pawn. Give
Sir,
threat to
Sir, sir, the A2 pawn move it till A4. A2 pawn to A4.
No,
A2
it's my turn now, right?
Oh,
Yeah,
wait.
I want to tell you something.
Yes, Nivan, I understood your
I will put my queen there. Yes. This support will go on and you will capture my pawn. Give
Yes.
threat to my king. I will not bring my king out then.
Okay, so he doesn't want to bring the queen out. Okay.
Okay.
So
Sir,
queen should be
you
there.
can make, sir, you bring the C3 knight. You bring the C3 knight to.
Then a wall will broke. Okay. He will capture.
If you move the knight, then the protection will be on the
He
bishop.
will capture with a queen. Not on
Now he'll capture he'll capture the bishop, our bishop on b5.
Right. So you cannot move the knight. Good thinking, kids.
The G1.
Yeah. I need
Yes. Yes, Nivan.
to put my bishop on a4. Then the knight can go anywhere.
Right.
The bishop will not be there.
Okay. So you want to play A4.
No. To which tap to a4.
Bishop to A4. Okay. Okay. Bishop
F.
to A4.
Sir, B A4, right?
Yes, BA4.
Okay. Okay, sir. Sir, your turn now.
Yes, it's my turn now. Okay. What I'll play now? I'll play C6.
E6. Sir, till now no special move has happened.
Yes, not yet. Not yet.
Okay, sir, it's now our turn, right?
It's your turn
So
now.
what you played?
C6.
Sir, move the G1 pawn to H3. G1 pawn to
G1 pawn.
to H3.
G1.
Not G1 pawn, G1 knight to H3.
Okay.
Okay.
Knight to H3 he played. Nivan.
Okay, so in the next move we can castle. Okay, sir. So it is NH3, right?
Yes, knight to H3.
NH3. Okay, sir, your turn.
B5. I played B5.
B5. Sir, we need to move the bishop to a safer place.
On A5, then you will capture. I will move my king. You will capture my rook. Look, then I will put the giving.
Sir, wait. We can't move the bishop. We can't move the A4 bishop to any safe place.
You can move it here. What is the problem?
If we move it to B3, the knight on D4. Knight on D4 will capture it, right?
Yeah, but you have support, right? You have two supports. Why are you worrying?
Okay, then, sir, then bring the A4 bishop to B3. BB3.
Okay.
BB3.
Okay.
Okay, sir, your turn.
It's my turn now. Okay. Now let me play A5.
Yeah, I want to bring my queen on H5.
No, sir. Nivan, wait. Let's do castling. See, the king and the H1 pawn. There is nothing in the middle, and we haven't even moved the rook and the king. Right?
He is suggesting to bring the queen here, Yashas, so that because you have got support from bishop, you can attack here and checkmate the king. That is what his plan is, isn't it, Nivan?
That I'm only thinking.
Yeah. Good.
Right.
Sir, Q to D5. Q, D5.
Okay, so you are playing queen to D5, okay? Just give me a second, kids. This is the 8th move, by the way, okay? Capital Q.
Sir, now you will move your G7 pawn for sure to G6, right? To stop the queen.
Not really. Is that the only way?
Why? Yeah, that's the only way, right? Or no?
What will you do if I place this pawn here?
Nothing will happen.
I played E6.
Then we will put a knight on G5.
Oh, yeah. The support will be gone. Support will be gone.
All right. Now you are
Then we will
playing.
put a knight to G5.
No, okay, wait, Nivan, no, sir, don't do that. Let's do castling. Castling.
No, I want to put the knight on there.
Okay. Good
Okay.
move.
Okay, sir, what was your move? You didn't do any move.
I
Oh, you
played
did.
E6.
Yes, E6, right?
Yes, I played E6.
And then NG5.
Yes. Now I played G6.
G6.
Yes.
What did you play in G6? Let me see. G6, okay.
Then let me write.
Yes, Ivan.
6.
This is the 10th move, kids. Okay. Are we on same page?
Yes, sir. 10. No, sir. 9th move, right?
No, 9 moves are completed. The next move that you will play is going to be the 10th
Oh,
one.
next move. Okay, the next move which we are going to do, right? I thought 10th move is already done.
No,
I thought you were...
9 is done actually. Okay, so you can just cross check once. Are we on same moves?
Yes, sir. For black, N-F6, N-C6, N-D4, N-G8, correct. C6. C6. Sir, after C6, B5, I wrote D5.
No, you can correct it actually.
B5, then it is a5, then it is e6, then g6. Sir, black side all correct. I'll check in the white side.
Yes.
e4 correct, and c3, bb5, e5, bf4, nh3, bb3, qh5, qd5 or qh5?
QH5.
qh5. Yes, sir. All correct. Only one mistake in the
Okay.
black and white.
No issues. Okay, now it's your move, kids.
Okay, sir, it's our move, right?
Yeah, I want to. Oh,
Sir, castling. Sir,
Hold on,
we
hold
look-
on. Yasha.
no, Vicky will attack a queen. No, Kathleen.
Save your queen first. Your queen is now in danger, okay?
Oh, yeah.
We will put the
didn't
queen
see that.
on h4 to give threat to your knight.
E2. Bring the queen to E2.
He is suggesting to bring it to H4.
H4.
To give threat to his knight.
Okay, yeah, sir. H4.
Okay. Queen to
Q.
H4.
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 Sir, your move.
Okay. Now it's my move. Okay, kids. Now what I'll do, I'll capture your bishop.
Okay, sir. I'll one
Now
other.
We will capture your knight.
Yep.
Sir,
B3.
N cross
Yes.
BB3, right?
Right. N cross capital B small b3.
Okay. Sir, then with A2 pawn capture your black knight. A2 pawn.
Okay. A2 captures
A2
A2
cross.
cross capital N small b3.
I want to put my knight. Right?
Knight.
What, sir? We can just do.
No.
Sir, we can just write A2 cross N, right? Because that is the only one knight which it can capture, right? Black knight.
Yes, but it's okay to write the address actually to be precise. Okay. It is also okay. A2 cross N is also okay.
Okay, sir, it's your move.
I want to tell something.
Yes, Nivan.
I want to put my knight on F4. Queen, not F4. Then I can still attack the pawn.
Yes, but it is black's move first. Okay. Nivan. You captured this knight, right? You captured this knight. Okay.
But my knight is how out.
Now it is black's turn. Let black play first and then you decide what to play. Okay.
Sir, what is your... Sir, your turn, right?
Yes.
A2 cross NBB3. NB3, not NBB3. Whoever is going to play something.
Let me play my bishop here.
Okay, sir.
How-
E7.
F to queen to F4.
Bishop.
Queen to F4.
He will attack my knight. Then I will.
But Nivan, if it is in H4 also, there is support, right? Even in H4 also support is there to the knight. If it captures. Even on G4 and even on H4.
I want to play D, E, G.
Nivan, we'll do castling now.
Yes, yes, hold on. Yes, Nivan. What are you
I want
suggesting?
to put my pawn. I want to put my pawn to D, E,
To D4.
Okay, you want
Which
to play
pawn to
this.
D4? Okay.
He want to play this
D4.
pawn to D4. Okay, good,
Sir,
good
this
move.
would be the last move because I have written only 12.
Yeah, that's fine actually. Yeah. What you can do, you can write the next set of moves. But anyways, we can stop here, kids. Okay. So did you understood how to write the game?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, today after the class, I'll play chess with my father and write the game.
Yes, you can write the game. Okay. So important thing, you understood how, if the pawn is playing, how to make the move. If there is a piece like knight or bishop moving, okay, then we also saw if you are capturing knight, capturing bishop, we saw how to write. Yes, what you can do, kids, just ask your parents to take the photograph of it and share it on my WhatsApp. I'll cross check. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, in the group or on your personal number?
Personal number. Yeah, no issues. Okay, so we will stop here for the day. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Keep practicing at home. If you have any questions when you are writing with your parents, do write the game. Okay. And if you have any questions, if you find any difficulty writing the game, do let me know. I will answer. Okay. You can ask on WhatsApp as well. No issues.
Okay.
Okay, kids,
Sir,
we will stop
I
here
want
for
to
the
go
day.
to washroom.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.